Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the speaker output switching problem in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu options. Look for a button labeled Audio Setup and click on it. This is where all your audio input and output settings are controlled, and it's the key to resolving any speaker switching issues you might be experiencing. After clicking Audio Setup, a drop-down menu will appear with several audio configuration options. Now hover your mouse over the option that says Recording Device. When you do this, another submenu will appear showing all the available audio devices connected to your computer. From this list, select your actual speakers or headphones that you want Audacity to use. This tells the application exactly which output device to send the audio to, preventing it from randomly switching between different devices. Make sure you select the correct device name that matches your physical speakers or headphones. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, there's another way to access these settings directly from your system. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see a speaker icon in your Windows taskbar. Go ahead and click on this speaker icon. This will bring up a volume control panel that also manages your audio output devices. When the panel that appears, you'll see the name of the current device that's being used for audio output. Click on this device name to reveal a list of all available audio devices on your system. From this list, select your preferred speaker or headphone that you want to use with Audacity. This method achieves the same result as the previous one but gives you system-wide control over your audio output, which can be helpful if multiple applications are experiencing similar switching issues. And that's it. You've now resolved the speaker output switching problem in Audacity by properly configuring your audio device settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.